Hi, this is Andrea with Yarn Pack and Mama, and today I wanted to go over the long wave stitch in the round. And I have already chained up 32, and I have slip stitched to the first chain from, the first chain after I chained my 32, because for this stitch pattern I'm using a multiple of 14 plus 2, and I am now going to start with the long wave stitch. So in this next chain, I'm going to do 1 single crochet, and then in the next one after that I'm going to do another single crochet, and I'm actually going to mark my first stitch since this is the round, and it will be much easier to just mark that out. So I've done 2 single crochets so far, and I am going to do one more after that, and then from there I'm going to do 2 half double crochets into the next 2 chains, and then I'm going to do 2 double crochets, and then 3 treble crochets. And this is very similar to doing the long wave stitch as in rows, but you're just going to be working around instead, because the repeats are the same, and that makes it quite easy. And then, so after your treble, you're going to do 2 double crochets, followed by 2 half double crochets, followed by 2 single crochets. And that is the repeat, actually. So it goes 2 single crochets, 2 half double crochets, 2 double crochets, 3 treble crochets, 2 double crochets, 2 half double crochets, 2 single crochets, and then you just repeat that. So in the next, you're going to do a single crochet and a single crochet, and then you're going to do a half double crochet, 2 of those, and then a double crochet, and I will meet you up at the end to go over round 2. Okay, so I'm coming to the end, and I'm going to finish with 2 single crochets at the end, then I'm also going to slip stitch to this first stitch. To complete that round. And now I'm going to start on round 2, and round 2 is just a single crochet all the way around, and at the end of the round we'll change colors as well, so I'll meet you up when I'm changing colors. Okay, so I'm at the end and I'm slip stitching to this slip stitch from the previous round, and this is where I'm going to change color. And so you don't have to change color, but I recommend it just because it will make the stitch pattern stand out that much more. Again, you are welcome to do it in a single color and you'll have the same great texture from the treble crochet stitches and all of that, but you won't see the pattern as we're to chain 4, and this chain of 4 will count as the first treble crochet of the round. And then in the next stitch I'm going to work a treble crochet, and then from there it's going to be a double crochet in the next 2 stitches, followed by 2 half double crochets, followed by 3 single crochets, and this will offset the waves so that you have that actual peak and valley instead of the waves being right on top of each other. And now from there it's going to be the repeat of 2 half double crochets, 2 double crochets, 3 treble crochets, followed by the 2 double crochets, 2 half double crochets, and 3 single crochets. And that is your repeat. So it is going to be 3 single crochet, followed by 2 half double crochet, followed by 2 double crochet, followed by 3 treble crochet, followed by 2 double crochets, followed by 2 half double crochets, followed by 3 single crochets. And I will meet you at the end to go over round 4. Okay, so I'm at the end of my round 3, and I have ended with 2 treble crochets, and you will see that there is 1 stitch left, and this is where it's going to differ from in rows. I'm actually going to slip stitch to that last stitch because of how how the chains work in and around from the fact that I chained from this slip stitch to begin with. And for round 4, it's just a repeat of round 2, meaning that you're going to single crochet into each stitch along, starting with this chain of 3. Or chain of 4, excuse me, this chain of 4. And you're just going to start that and work 1 single crochet all the way around, and that will be row 4, and that is what you will repeat going forward. So you're going to repeat rounds 1 through 4, excuse me, and at the end of this round you will change colors again. So I'll meet you up at the end to talk about that. Okay, so I'm at the end of round 4, and I'm going to slip stitch to this first stitch. I'm going to start a slip stitch but change color on into this first stitch from the previous round. So now I'm going to change back to orange, and for this round will be a repeat of round 1, and for round 1 we did 2 single crochets followed by 2 half double crochets, followed by 2 double crochets, followed by 3 treble crochets, and then 2 double crochet, half double crochet, and 2 single crochet, and then that is the repeat. So I'm going to keep working around until I have done another full repeat of rows 1 through 4, just to show you what the end result will look like for this swatch, and I'll see you there. So I've done 1 full repeat of 1 through 4, and I've come to the end. I just finished my last single crochet from my repeat of row 4, and I'm going to slip stitch to this first stitch to finish my round, and that is the main difference. But as you can see, working in rounds, you still get that wave pattern, and it is in a round. So this would be great to make like mittens or anything else that you want to working around, really. But that's it. I hope you found this useful, and please stay tuned for more. Thank you.